Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Discord stream lag and stutter step by step so your streams run smoothly in 2026. First, check your internet connection. Stream lag often happens due to low upload speed or unstable Wi-Fi. If possible, switch to a wired Ethernet connection for better stability. You can also restart your router to refresh your network and reduce packet loss. Next, lower your stream quality in Discord. When starting screen share, reduce the resolution and frame rate, especially if your PC or internet is limited. High settings like 1080p at 60 FPS require strong hardware and bandwidth. Lowering them can instantly reduce stutter. Now disable hardware acceleration in Discord. Go to User Settings, open Advanced, and toggle hardware acceleration off. Restart Discord after changing this setting. This often fixes performance issues on many systems. Another important step is closing background apps. Open Task Manager and shut down heavy programs like browsers, downloads, or games running in the background. Freeing up CPU and RAM can significantly improve stream smoothness. You should also update your graphics drivers and make sure Discord is fully up to date. Outdated drivers are a common cause of stream lag and frame drops. Finally, try running Discord as administrator and test your stream again with a friend. In most cases, these fixes will eliminate lag and stutter. If this guide helped you, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Discord performance tips in 2026. Happy streaming.